guys, my name is James from Gigapress.net. In this video, you'll learn what hosting is and why you need it for your website. To get your website online, you need it stored on a computer that's connected to the internet. These computers are called web servers. Website hosts are companies, like us, that manage these servers in data centers. They handle everything from software and security to support and internet connection, so your website can be accessed online. Think of a website host like a shopping center with lots of stores. If you want to open a store there, you lease space and set up shop. Similarly, website hosts let you rent space on their servers to store your website files and make them visible on the internet. There are different hosting options depending on how much server space and bandwidth your site needs. Bandwidth is how much data your site transfers or how many resources it uses. Imagine your store again. If you sell handmade bracelets, you won't need as much space as a big department store. You can lease a smaller space in the shopping center, which costs less and fits your unique product offering perfectly. Since you're a small shop, you won't need lots of extra technology or staff like a big store does. You have enough bandwidth with your mobile payment device to take care of your customers without needing more tech or staff. Understandable? When choosing a hosting solution, consider your budget, how easy or complex it is to use, how much flexibility or customization it offers, and its privacy and security features. These factors help you pick the right hosting setup for your website. Gigapress is one of the top choices for WordPress hosting, particularly for beginners, as we combine high-performance hosting with advanced security, while also offering web design and update services for those that want to focus on running their business instead of web design work. Join thousands of satisfied users who have chosen Gigapress as their preferred web hosting solution. Visit gigapress.net or click the link in the description to learn more and get started.